So today I'm going to take you through a day in the life through the meta glasses. It is 8:26, about to start the work day. This is what it is, man. It's not too busy. It's a weird month. Had some great days where I've been making 1,000 to 1,200 a day, and then I've had days where I've just made 300. And today looks like it's just a $300 day. But you know what the saying, you know my saying, it is what it is, and I'm here for it. So, day in the life through the meta glasses, that's what's up. I got my stowaway here for today. She snuck on and she's with me. Alright guys, make sure to always do your 360 inspection. Check for your gauges, make sure your horn's working, right? And then you got to make sure you check your lights. Check your signals. This is my electronical logbook. Guys, I've been telling you it's a free tool. Use it, man. It's right in your fingertips. Just use it. So I'm gonna start. I did my inspection already. I did everything on the walk around. So I'm just gonna insert my odometer reading, 449931. License plate. And then everything that I checked off, right? Nothing is damaged, nothing is broken, nothing is cracked. Air pressure is good, horn and lights are good. You just go through the list, real simple. It literally takes maybe 5 minutes out of your day. And then go to your log. You want to go to drive, and then you want to make sure your kilometers are in as well that you started with, right? Just like that, I'm done, ready to move. Use the tool, it's free. Here I am, first pickup of the day. Maybe it's the only one, who knows. My driver's helper, she ain't helping as usual. Let's go pick up these 12 skids and bring them to Mississauga. Drive back should be easy. Hello. So I just finished checking the notes and I'm at the wrong location. This is 85. I'm supposed to go to 83. I normally pick up from both locations, but I messed this one up. I'm supposed to go to 83. It's right around the corner, not far at all. No sweats. And just like that, the work day is over. Make sure you guys go over all your checks to make sure you're closing up the day properly on your truck. That way it's a smooth start for the morning. That's it, that's a wrap. Grab my stuff, take my behind home. So until tomorrow, peace.